Good day, and welcome to Triple Chips Unbox the Box, where today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the Campark Ultra HD 4K action camera. See that there? Comes in a fairly small box. Well, let's get to her. Open that up. Inside you get your user manual. Comes in a variety of different languages. So for each language, roughly about 11-12 pages long, so pretty basic. The rest is all just a bunch of other languages. So you get that. Oh, a little bit of feedback. Surprise. You get a free accessory. Now the free accessories you can choose from a dual slot dock charger, a waterproof case, a selfie stick, or a floating handlebar. So it's just got all the links inside the booklet there, how to redeem it. So you can get one of the 4 surprises. Nice little treat there, you get that. What else we got here? Let that open. Some sort of strap you get there. It looks like a wrist strap. Once you get the camera, you just put that guy on. It's just Velcro, but I don't know how you trust that to hold your camera. But it does have some sort of buckle here, so it's up to you if you choose to do that. I just got a little bit bigger wrists. I don't know how it'll work. And then you get one mount here. Take that out of the bag. It's a little universal GoPro type mount to go on your camera. The second one, so you get 2 mounts. Oh, they're 2 different sizes. 45 and a 90. Same size, one's 45, one's a 90. Depending on how you want to mount your camera. So what we got here. Looks like we got a USB cord. This bags are a little tricky to get into. Yeah, a little USB cord. Charging a camera. About a 2-foot cord for charging. USB to mini to micro. Just another couple pieces for mounting. Like a couple permanent mounts you could put on a vehicle or a motorcycle, scooter, whatever. It's just got the pull-off sticker. You simply just slide your mount into that. That holds on for when you're off-road and stuff. So you get 2 of those. Bunch more wrist straps, 3 more of those. Couple little pieces of Velcro in there. And this one's just, you mount your camera on this side. It's going to handlebars, so like for a motorcycle or a bicycle or something, for a GoPro. A couple zip ties, a little anchor cable in here, a couple more adhesive strips for replacements, and a little nice little cloth for cleaning your lens and stuff off. Another specialized mount. Looks like you got some type of waterproof case here. We'll see, maybe it comes with the waterproof case. I don't know yet. I haven't taken the camera out yet, so. And last thing in the box is, little bags are kind of paint over. Put them all there. One more little mount, basically the same as, so you get two exact same mounts that are that size. Get your lithium-ion battery. Remote control included. So you either take pictures or you shoot your video with that. Oh, so you got actually two lithium-ion batteries. Oh, so as in those surprise kits, you don't even need that water mount because you already got it built onto the camera. So if you're looking at one of the 4 possible things you can get for free, this takes one right off the chart, because one was a waterproof case, which it already has, unless you want a second one. So I think I would get would be the dual slot charger, because otherwise you have to leave a battery inside your camera and charge the camera, whereas if you wanted one sitting on the side, you could do it that way instead. Or the floating handlebar. I'll just have to look online and see which one's a better value for as a free redemption. And it says your accessory will be shipped within 12 to 25 working days, so it's going to take a good month or so to get it. Not a bad looking little camera, but I don't know if she'll turn on or not. So to open it up, you just simply pop this open here. Little hinge part on there. Back should. It just releases off like that. There's the actual size of your GoPros right there. Let's see if these batteries have any charge. Pretty small little camera. Just gonna see if I can get this case open without breaking it. It's tricky. There we go. Okay. See if these have any charge to them at all. They might be completely uncharged. There we go. You got a little screen lit up in the back there. So they do have a little bit of charge to them. So once again, that was the Ultra HD Campark 4K. About $110 compared to getting a GoPro of the same quality would be probably 5 times that price. So I'll be trying this one out in some of my future videos. Looks like a nice little camera Looks pretty good quality too, like. So, if you like what you've seen here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for future videos, so you don't have to look for them, just be sure to ring the bell notification button. Until next time, have a great day.